and we start with Chofetz Chaim. So it's Sefer Chofetz Chaim, Lashon Hara, laws of derogatory speech. Moshe, you want to read?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, please.
All right, so we're at the listener, right? Okay.
Yeah, the listener, please.
So once something is defined as derogatory, it is forbidden to related other than for constructive purposes and under specific conditions which will be discussed later. One may not share negative information about people with friends and family, including one's spouse. It must be underscored that relating Lashon Hara to one's spouse is no less forbidden than when relating it to anyone else. To focus on another's shortcomings is undignified and wrong. So basically,
okay, go ahead. It's a lot of information. Go ahead.
Yeah. So what is he saying? So like, if you know that there is something, negative about somebody, so the only way to actually talk about it is if it's for constructive purposes, meaning like if it's for helping the person, right? In a way.
Or warning a person about danger.
Warning.
So somebody trying to get married, and this guy is I don't know, very aggressive. He beats everybody. I hope his neighbor is suffering. So his future fiance is just next on the list. So you must watch.
That would be.
Yeah.
Okay. Pretty short, but understandable.
Yeah. So and spouse is also like some people think that if spouse is a pressure, how come you're not sharing with me? So it's the number one person you have no right to share, right? Because it's as we said before, and just for Ethan, I just gave you this example. So, for example, you had a fight with somebody in the show, right? So he came very upset. He said, "This guy, this chatzuf, this and that." Okay, 1 second. Somebody else wants to join. Okay, so he did whatever he did, right? And she remembers that. So in her mind, this guy she wishing for him to die, him and his family, his kids. Okay, but this guy came 3 days later, apologized. So and then you forgot to tell him. You understand? So basically, in her mind, they're the worst people on planet Earth. But you already drank l'chaim with him, no problem. So that's plus women, they very they hold this grudge for a very long time. So man, I mean, my wife said, "So you're not upset?" I said, "I don't remember all of these things." You understand? It's not because I'm such a I just move on and I'm on the next page. So that's not me personally, but that's men usually don't hold grudges as long as women do. So that's okay. So we start here.